Ready to unlock the power of WhatsApp marketing and automation for your business? Let's get you started with Aisensy. First, head over to the Aisensy website. You can find the link in the description below. Look for the sign up button, usually located in the top right corner or the center of the page, and click on it. You'll be directed to the registration form. Here, you'll need to provide some basic information. Start by entering your full name, followed by a valid email address. Make sure it's one you have access to. Next, type in your active phone number, then fill in your company name. Finally, create a strong and secure password. After filling out the form, click the Sign Up or Create Account button. Aisensy will then send a verification code to the phone number you provided. Check your messages and enter the code on the next screen to verify your account. Great! Your account is now verified. You'll be taken to your Aisensy dashboard. This is where you'll manage your WhatsApp marketing campaigns, connect with customers, and track your results. Before you start sending messages, take a moment to explore the dashboard and familiarize yourself with the different features. You might want to connect your WhatsApp Business API, integrate with your existing CRM, or start importing your contacts. And that's it. You've successfully signed up for Aisensy. Now you can start leveraging the power of WhatsApp to grow your business. Be sure to check out our other tutorials for more in-depth guides on using Aisensy's features. Happy automating!